Hey you all, what's up my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, blessings, 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 and more blessings. So you all, I am here in Saint Mary and I'm having a flu, so you hear me like sniffing every now and then. Um but it's not running, but it's in my head. I think the sinus is like not mine, it just belongs to me. Right? So it's trying to fight me, but actually I'm fighting it. I'm gonna show you what I'm using or I will be using. I'm using a lot of herbs already. If you missed that one, I did a live showing you guys of the way I make my tea to be fighting the flu, and I'll be using some of this, the moringa also, to make tea. And moringa has a lot of health benefits. I'll be using that. Just want to show you all my mother's garden um things. I Some of these plants I don't know the name of it. Maybe one out of all of this I know, right? So I know the cane and stuff like that. What I'm talking about, like the flowers and stuff like that, I don't know the names. Yeah. So actually I am here and just want to show you now. So if you know the plant's name, you can name it. You can say it in the comment section. Alright, so if you know a plant name, you can just say what it is in the comment section. So this first one here, right there, and this one here. Also, this one is carrot. I know carrot for sure because that's a vegetable there. And this one here that I call stinking plant, but here's another name, stinking flowers, because it's the scent is not so given to me, but it has a lot of health benefits. I heard it's good, but you can do your own research. And then there's another plant here, that one. And I was on a live recently, and maybe this is gonna be days after that I'm gonna put out this video here. But my friend she was saying that from trash to treasure for my mom, because I was saying that, oh my goodness, mommy used everything to plant her flowers in, all the containers that she can find around the house. She finished using the paint. She plant her stuff in the paint pan right there, buckets, stuff like that. She use tires, you name it, a stereo up there. I'm gonna show you pots and pans and every single thing mommy used to plant flowers in our see that's a cocoa right there. That's not a flower, that's cocoa. That's plant pop choy, yamming this one right here coming along, and just planted a whole lot of stuff. This is a stereo right here, right there, see? And mommy planting something in it. So she used like, I think that's the, what's this? I don't even think this is not a flower spot. But mommy, I don't even know, remember what's this? I don't even know. But mommy put something in that too. Also this thing here, I don't know what she get this off, but she's planting something in it. There's just a lot of stuff here that she's using to put her plants in. She saved every single thing, the thing here. So that's a plus part, but she's saving this to plant something in. And I saw a pot earlier on. Where is it? And she has a pot right here. She's putting something in there also. So there's a lot of stuff. So we say from trash to treasure, right? So that's what I will name this, from trash to treasure, right? Trash to treasure, and that's our plant no home containers for our plant, right? So it's not gonna be a lengthy video. I don't want it to be. So, and the tires are here. The tires are the from the car, Jeep, whatever. So the tires are here. She plants stuff in those, which that's a regular thing because a lot of persons use the tires to plant things in. But mommy use every single container here. So the plants are there on the phone. And as I said, if you all know the names of these plants, you can say any of these names. You can let us know if I'm not going too fast. I know this broadleaf thyme. I know this also, leaf of life. So we know a few of these. I deal with herbs. Mommy she deals with flowers, right? So yeah, just want you guys to see for yourself how big this there her garden is, and that's how it is. And she's just planting a lot of stuff in it. Yeah, that's how big it is right there. Mhm. So yeah, guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna finish walking out all of this because I don't want you want to miss something. But this is the next plant again, right there again, right there again. I love this plant. Love the leaf is so broad and nice. There again, and then over here, she's gonna use these here to put in the plant here. Gonna use it and stuff like that. This plant I have it at home. It's a lily that I know of, and she has a rose. Let me just. She have. But wait, you guys name it. This here. This is a very popular plant here. This is a rose. It is coming in my way. Yeah, on this side here, she has stuff, plants, sorcy, mix with another thing here, another plant. Yeah, and right along here, if you all are hearing me, that's another thing there. On this side, she has a pepper tree, plantain, I think, cane, plantain or banana. But that's what I said, I think. Or lime coming up right here and stuff. So on this side here again, she's planting in stuff. Like this was a whole pot. I remember cooking in this pot. I remember steaming rice, and that was my favorite pot growing up to cook in little rice. So me and my brother and her, cause this is the three of us, and we never used to eat a lot. And then this, I remember washing up dishes in this. So yeah, that was the wash pan. And then you know that this is a bucket, what do you call it? One of those jugs, and that's another paint pan there. She has something in. So this one here is also is a paint pan. I don't know what this is, and she's using the she bottle or bottle of water there to kind of like give it water when it needs it. So it's just a lot. And Marcus, she having all of these things, she's gonna use them. All of this, see, gel bottle, eco gel, she's going to use that to plant up something in something. She's gonna put it in. Like this plant here. I like this little plant here. Oh, it blooms, it's beautiful. Yeah. This is another plant that I love. I love to see this. Remind me so much of the sun, the yellow that it gives right there. And this is a mulberry tree. That's right beside it also. Mulberry and a rose. Rose that is here also. Yep. So my mommy slicing every little thing. What's wrong with that dog? This look like a tooth cutic. What's that one? Not a cutic. What's that one that you used to clean your ears? Yeah, look like one. Looks so much like it. So much like it. So that's it for now, you all. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also to leave a comment. God bless. Drink up, vegetable herbs pouring on my cup. Bush red, good for your blood and makeup. Yeah, that's a tea.